Hello everyone, and welcome to Smart English Official. You want to study English at home, but your bed is soft, your phone is calling you, and your snack is saying, "Eat me first."
Yes, and 5 minutes later, you are studying English by watching cat videos.
If that sounds like you, do not worry.
Because today, we will show you how to study English at home in a simple, fun, and smart way.
And no, you do not need a big classroom.
You do not need a strict teacher with scary eyes.
And you do not need magic.
Well, maybe just a little coffee.
Welcome back to Smart English Official.
I'm James.
And I'm Lima.
We are so happy you are here today.
In this video, we will talk about easy tips to study English at home.
This is perfect for beginners.
Yes, very easy, very simple, and very useful.
So sit down, take a deep breath,
Get your notebook, or your tea, or both.
and let's start.
First tip, study a little every day.
Yes, not 1 hour today, then nothing for 6 days.
That is like going to the gym one time and saying, "Okay, now I am super strong."
Yes, English does not work like that.
Study for just 10 to 20 minutes every day.
Small time is okay.
Very okay.
If you study a little every day, your brain says, "Oh, this again, I know this."
And little by little, English becomes part of your day.
Morning, lunchtime, or night, choose one time.
And keep it easy.
Do not make a crazy plan like, "I will study at 4 a.m. every day."
If you love sleep, that plan will die very fast.
Tip 2. Make a study place.
It does not need to be big,
It can be one chair, one table, one small corner.
but when you sit there, your brain should know, now it is English time.
That helps a lot.
If you study on your bed,
The bed may say, "Forget English, come sleep with me."
and many people lose that fight.
So try to sit in a place that helps you stay awake.
Put your notebook there, your pen, your phone for listening.
Keep it clean and simple.
If your table looks like a snack shop and toy shop together, it may be hard to focus. Tip 3. Learn a small number of words each day.
Yes, do not try to learn 100 words in one day.
Because on day 2, your brain may say, "Sorry, I quit."
Learn maybe 5 words a day.
Just 5.
Easy words, useful words.
Words you can use at home, like eat, drink, wash, room, chair, happy.
And say them many times.
Write them.
Read them,
Use them in short sentences.
like, "I drink water." "This is my chair." "I am happy."
Simple is powerful.
Yes, when you use small words again and again, they stay in your mind longer. Tip 4. Speak out loud.
This one is very important.
Some people only read English in their head.
That is okay, but your mouth also needs practice.
Yes, English is not only for the eyes.
It is for the mouth, the ears, and the brain.
So speak.
Read short lines aloud.
Talk to yourself if you need to.
Yes, say things like, "I am in the kitchen." "I am making tea." "Where is my phone?"
Sometimes I say, "James, where are your keys?"
And then?
And then I answer, "I do not know, James."
Very nice English practice. And also very sad.
But it works.
Do not feel shy if you are alone.
Your wall will not laugh at you.
And if your cat laughs, that is the cat's problem.
Tip 5. Listen to easy English every day.
Tip 5. Listen to easy English every day.
This is very helpful.
Listen to English podcasts, short videos, or simple English stories.
Listen again and again.
You do not need to understand every word.
That is normal.
Just catch the main idea.
Then listen one more time.
Your ears need time.
At first, English may sound fast.
Like blah 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 blah.
Yes, like a fast train.
But slowly, your ears get stronger.
And you start to hear words clearly.
Listen while you clean your room, while you cook, while you walk.
Turn small time into English time.
Tip 6. Use English in your home.
Tip 6. Bring English into your home.
This is fun.
Put small word notes on things.
On the door, write door.
On the mirror, write mirror.
On the fridge, write fridge.
On the dog?
No, James.
Okay, maybe not on the dog.
But yes, label things in your house.
When you see them every day, you remember them.
You can also change your phone language to English.
That is a good idea.
You already use your phone every day.
So now your phone can help you learn English too.
Also try thinking in English.
Very small thoughts are enough.
Like, I am tired. I want rice. This coffee is hot.
Real life English is the best English.
Lima. Tip 7. Do not be afraid of mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Even people who speak English well make mistakes sometimes.
I make mistakes.
I make mistakes too.
James makes many mistakes.
Hey, thank you, Lima.
You're welcome.
But really, mistakes help you grow.
If you wait to be perfect, you may never start.
So, start now.
Speak, even if your sentence is not perfect.
Write, even if your spelling is not perfect.
Try, and try again.
English is a skill.
And skills grow with practice.
Tip 8. Go back and review.
Yes, do not only learn new things,
Review old words and old lessons too.
because if you learn something today and never look at it again,
Poof, it may fly away.
your memory needs help.
So every week, take one day to review.
Read your old notes.
Say old words again.
Listen to the same lesson one more time.
Review is not boring.
Review is smart. Tip 9. Make English fun.
Very important.
If English feels like heavy homework every day, you may stop.
So add fun.
Watch easy cartoons in English.
Sing simple English songs.
Play word games.
Read short funny stories.
Laugh in English.
Is that a thing?
Yes, like this. In English.
Amazing lesson, Lima.
Thank you.
When you enjoy learning, you stay longer.
And when you stay longer, you improve more.
Last tip. Be kind to yourself.
This is very important.
Some days, learning feels easy.
Some days, your brain feels sleepy.
Some days, one word feels hard.
That is okay.
You are not a robot.
And learning takes time.
So do not say, "My English is bad, I can't do it."
Say, I am learning, step by step.
That is a better way.
Slow progress is still progress.
One word today, one sentence tomorrow, one short talk next month.
And one day, you will look back and say,
Wow, I can really do this now.
okay, let's review our tips very fast.
Tip 1. Study a little every day.
Tip 2. Make a study place.
Tip 3. Learn a few useful words.
Tip 4. Speak out loud.
Tip 5. Listen to easy English every day.
Tip 6. Use English in your home.
Tip 7. Do not fear mistakes.
Tip 8. Review old lessons.
Tip 9. Make it fun.
And tip 10. Be kind to yourself.
See? Very simple.
Yes, Simple things can make a big change.
So, if you want to study English at home, remember this.
You do not need to be perfect.
You only need to start.
Start small
Stay steady.
and keep going,
Little by little, your English will grow.
like a plant.
Yes, but please water your plant.
And water your English too, with practice.
Nice one.
Thank you so much for watching Smart English Official.
We hope this video helps you study English at home with more joy and less stress.
If you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe.
And write in the comments, I can study English at home.
Yes, write that now.
Also tell us, where do you study English at home? On a chair, at a desk, or on the bed with snacks?
We want to know.
And if you want more easy English videos with Lima and James,
Stay with us here on Smart English Official.
see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye everyone, keep learning and keep smiling.